Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and practical insights. Today, we're featuring what we confidently call the best foam pads 6-pack medium fish filter media. The ALEGI Aquarium Bio-Sponge Filter Media. Perfectly designed for the ML350 canister filter. If you're looking to upgrade your filtration game, these foam pads may just be the low-cost, high-performance solution you've been searching for. In this video, we'll cover what they are, how they perform, and why they're such a great choice for aquarium owners. From casual hobbyists to serious aquascapers. Let's start with the basics. The ALEGI sponge filter pads are precision cut to dimensions of 6.28 by 5.5 inches, with a thickness of just under an inch, 0.78 inches to be exact. That makes them a perfect fit for ML350 canister filters, but they're also easy to trim if you're working with a slightly different setup. These pads are designed for biological filtration, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy nitrogen cycle in your tank. The porous structure encourages beneficial bacteria to thrive, those hard-working microorganisms that help break down harmful ammonia and nitrite into less harmful nitrate. In a well-balanced tank, that means cleaner water, healthier fish, and fewer maintenance headaches. Now, let's talk build quality. This isn't the flimsy kind of foam you toss after a few weeks. ALEGI designed these pads with durability in mind. They're thick, dense, and strong enough to withstand multiple washes, yet they don't clog easily. This means you can rinse and reuse them several times before needing to replace. That alone makes them a cost-effective solution over the long haul. Installing the pads is as simple as it gets. Whether you're placing them in the tray of your ML350 or another compatible canister, they slide in smoothly and hold their shape well. Just make sure you position them correctly, coarse to fine if you're stacking media, to optimize the flow and filtration. One thing to highlight is their versatility. While they're marketed for freshwater tanks, they perform equally well in saltwater environments. Whether you've got a lush planted tank or a cichlid setup, these pads hold up to the task. You could even use them in a pond filter system if you're working on a smaller scale koi or goldfish pond. From a maintenance perspective, the sponges do a good job of trapping particulate waste while still allowing water to flow efficiently through your filtration system. That balance of capture and circulation is what makes these stand out from thinner, low-density alternatives. And let's not forget, you're getting 6 of these in one pack. That's enough for multiple filter cycles or even to rotate between cleanings. If you're like many aquarists who prefer to pre-cut and store filter media, you'll love the value here. To wrap it all up, the ALEGI Aquarium Bio-Sponge Filter Pads are a smart buy for anyone serious about water quality and aquarium health. They deliver biological support, mechanical filtration, and long-term reusability, all at a budget-friendly price. If you're interested in checking them out, we've linked the product below. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know what aquarium products you'd like us to test next. See you in the next video.